Gates open, that up and racing. No money, no honey. Draws for your lead. Running by the rail right here, right now. Gastambide on the outside. While yes, Pogi, the favorite, is bringing up the rear as they leave the straight. Two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Running on the outside. No money. No honey, Darlab racing by the rail second, then moving up on the outside, Gastambide right here, right now, racing in fourth, and yes, Pogi is watching in peep at this moment as they move towards the back with no money, no honey. Now running on the outside, second Gastambide. Darleb moving up by the rail once again, then comes right here, right now. And yes, Pogi now about to unwind up on the outside as they race at the last 600. No money, no honey, still leading the field. Gastambide remains in second by the rail. Darleb right here, right now. And yes, Pogi as they turn for home. No money, no honey, about to throw the challenge on the outside. Gastambide, Darleb right here, right now. Yes, Pogi, as they swing for home. Gastambide now takes the lead right here, right now. No money, no honey. Darleb, yes, Pogi, and with the last 150 more to run. Gastambide by about 3 lengths now, followed by right here, right now, and finally, Gastambide right here, right now. Darleb close between yes, Pogi, and no money, no honey.
Mukhang